Take a look at that cross-section. These kind of sandwiches are the reason that I do this. This one's getting a 10 out of 10 today, folks.
Another 10 out of 10 on roll for sandwich. Obviously, I gotta try it. Sandwich Dad here again. Hello. The T.G.I.F sandwich. Thanks, Gerblin. It's fire. Let's go. We've got a croissant, feta cheese, pepperoni, broccoli, sesame seeds, avocado, and English mustard. Okay. Cut open our croissant. Put on our pepperoni. And I bought the pre-crumbled feta cheese. That's on next. Our broccoli. I also like raw broccoli. Don't put it on sandwiches enough. Let's see how it works. Alligator pear coming at you. Little bit of sesame seeds, white and black sesame seeds. And instead of Coleman's, I'm using Keen's hot English mustard. It's pretty much just how they market Coleman's here in Canada. Put the hat on, cut diagonally, and reveal. It does look like a pretty good sandwich, but here comes the taste test. It's definitely very interesting. It's good. Real pepperoni forward with the buttery croissant. Great texture with the broccoli. You do get a bit of the sesame seed. The avocado's creaminess is nice. It's a good sandwich. It's not exactly blow your mind good, but I think it's pretty awesome. I'm going to give it 4.7 out of 5 easy chairs. The Sandwich Dad, good day!